G'day guys, my name's Nick, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the service light on your Mazda CX-30. So you can see the service warning up here and the little service spanner. So to reset this, we're going to use the center display here and our buttons down here in the center. So we can press our home button, which will take us back to the main menu here. So we'll press that, and then you can scroll the toggle wheel here and we'll go up to the information setting here. Select that by clicking the button in. Go down to vehicle status monitor. You can see it's got our service data in here. So now we'll just scroll right down to the bottom, vehicle maintenance settings, and select that by clicking the button. Now you can see our service data here. We'll scroll right to the bottom and go reset oil change distance. Do you want to reset it? We'll go up to reset. Now it has been reset. So now that we've reset the oil change service down on this bottom menu, we just need to go up and change the date, because you can see that it's on manual here. So if it's on automatic, it should select the date automatically, but it was on manual, so we'll need to input it manually. So you can also do this for the distance as well. So we can go into there and select 10,000 Ks, and we can also do our months here. So we can do 2025. And we can also do our month, which is June, and our day. There we go. And now when we go back, our service light will be out because we've set our next service distance, and we've also set the date as well. So we can go back out of that menu and you can see all of our service data has been reset now. So we'll go back to the home screen there. And when we come over to the dash here, you can see when we start the vehicle that all of our service messages are gone because we've reset them through the center display. So there you go guys, that's how you reset the service light on your Mazda CX-30. If this video helped you, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Cheers guys.